kita. Are you ready? So, magsusuot muna tayo nitong sandal. Let's wear this sandal. Oh. Do you like my heels? Oh. Princess, do you like my heels? Is it nice? Oh, it's so nice. Ay, no. So this is my dog. No! Stop it! Stop it! I don't like it. Princess! No! Go away, you go away. You sit over there. Oh, just sit. Okay? You sit over. Just watch me. Just watch me. Or else I will slaughter you next. Okay? Be good. This is the rooster that escaped yesterday. Oh, where? Okay. You cannot escape from me for now. For now, you cannot escape from me. Oh, where are you going? Stop. Stop. I am stronger than you. You cannot escape from me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, rooster. Are you ready to get slaughtered by me? Don't be afraid of me. I like your... It's so nice, but this is the rule of your life. So this is your time. But I will kiss you first. Bye. Oh, look at the princess. Look at the rooster. Oh, look at that. You wanna eat rooster? Huh? Hey, don't be afraid of me. So it's time for you to be slaughtered. Don't be afraid of me. You have a very beautiful butcher. Okay? So let's sharpen the knife again. Do you wanna hear the knife that I'm going to use? Do you like it? Oh. Do you like my knife? We'll use this knife to cut your neck. To cut your throat. Now it's so sharp. It's so sharp. Don't get scared of me. You escaped yesterday. Oh, you wanna escape now? You cannot escape from me. You wanna escape again? I'm sorry. You cannot escape from me. I have no mercy. Princess, do you wanna eat roaster? Oh. So, now I'm going to slaughter you. I have to... Okay. You cannot escape. So now... Oh! I told you, you cannot escape from me, whatever you do. You make me so dirty. So mga ka-vibes, I slaughtered this rooster. So nag-ihaw na po kog manok, no? And look at me. I look so dirty. Full. Look at my feet. Full of blood. Oh my gosh. And my hands also. It's so dirty. Oh, I look so dirty. Grabing ka pa sa manok, but the chicken is here.
Pag kumana to limpyo mga ka-vibes, so it's time no para magluto na ta. Sumunoy mga ka-vibes, magtula na putag sunoy.
Sumun ni ang chicken nga itong giihaw. Oh, grabe oh. Pero pag ginakong bulingan eh. Wow. Mga vibes, galuto o tinulang sunoy. Tinulang manok. So, mauna ni siya. So, mauna ang manok atong gihaw ganina o tanawa. Bulingit kay tastanan kay mga dugo-dugo na siya. So, ay mo kablaka kay naguman akong luto ano yun, maligo ko. I love vegetables. So, ako ani ibutang ilunod na nato. So, I love vegetables. So, more.
So finally, naluto na gyud siya. So atuan na dayong haunon.
Ang bigat.